Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with Paysafe on Temu. So let's get into the video. So go to Temu and log into your account if you have an account. So once you're on your Temu here, so if you want to make a purchase on Temu with your Paysafe, so what we're going to do, we're going to simply add an item to your carts and proceed to your checkout. So just like how you normally make any purchase, select an item, add it to your cart, and then go to your cart. So I'm going to go to my cart here so that we can get to the checkout session for the payment methods. So here, so this is my cart here, so I'm going to click on checkout. So once you're on your cart, go to checkout, and this will take us to the payment options section here. So now here, so this is what's, and if you scroll down and you will see payment methods here. So under payment methods, if you only use Paysafe, so you will see all the available options depending on your region where you are located. So if you're whatever the types of payment your location supports. So for example, here in my location I have these options here. So unfortunately I don't really have Paysafe here, but similarly I have other options instead of Paysafe, like Affirm and Pay Later options here, or Klarna Afterpay, those type of options. That's because of my location. So based on your location, you should, if your region supports Paysafe, you should see Paysafe. Like for example, I have Afterpay here, so you can just select whatever. If it's Paysafe, just select that, and then you're going to hit on this checkout session or checkout page here. So pay with Afterpay. So for example, Afterpay. Or else what you can do, there's another option if you want to pay with Paysafe. So simply, if you have a Paysafe MasterCard, then you can straight away select this card option here. So simply select the card option here, and you can enter your Paysafe MasterCard details and then hit on the submit order. In that way you'll be able to use your Paysafe. So that's pretty much it is. I hope this video and information was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.